In refinish, the extraordinary begins where the conventional ends. With the Ultra Gloss system, every surface becomes a statement of maximum quality, intense gloss, deep colour, and guaranteed durability. The Ultra Gloss system raises the concept of a premium finish to a new level. A process designed for the most demanding repairs. Perfect integration and matching, even in the most complex colours. Exceptional gloss and colour depth for a mirror effect finish. Higher perception of quality and value of the repair. Durability, resistance and great protection. The Ultra Gloss system is the natural choice for premium finishes, high-level restorations or exclusive customisations. Every great finish begins with perfect background preparation. The UHS PF Primer offers an optimal surface to reflect gloss and colour. The W6000 series base coat system stands out for its high chromatic fidelity, great hiding power and excellent blending. A system to obtain deep and vibrant effects on the bodywork. The final touch of distinction is provided by the CC1758 UHS Clear Coat. Deep gloss, high flow and extraordinary resistance. The perfect ally for premium finishes or restorations. Because there are customers who do not settle for standard. Because there are jobs that deserve to stand out. Ultra Gloss system, premium quality for the most demanding finishes.